Alright, 2 minutes rule from the book Atomic Habits. The rule is simple. Start a new habit should never take 2 minutes to do. This is designed to help you stop procrastinating and stick with good habits. Now, most habits can be scaled down to a 2-minute version. For instance, trying to finish a book, read 1 page instead. Going for a workout, just put on your shoes and do some push-ups. Starting a YouTube script, it becomes as simple as turning on your laptop. Now you may ask, why do you need a 2-minute version in the first place? Or you may think it's weird to get hype about reading 1 page or putting on your shoes or heck, turning on your laptop. And you're right, but it's never about that. It's about mastering the habit of showing up. You see, a habit must be established first before it can be improved. And if you can learn the basic skill of showing up, such as putting on your shoes or doing some push-ups, then you have little to no hope surviving a 45-minute workout. Because the key here is that habits shouldn't feel like a challenge. The actions that follow can be challenging, but the first 2 minutes should be easy. Now, the 2-minute rule is effective because once you start doing the right thing, it becomes much easier to continue doing it. Now, one of the common debates with the 2-minute rule is that it can sometimes feel like a trick, right? Because you know that the real goal is to do more than just 2 minutes. Nobody is actually aspiring to read 1 page or just do 1 push-up. And if you know it's a mental trick, why would you fall for it? Well, if the 2-minute rule feels forced, then try this instead. Do it for 2 minutes and then stop. Go to the gym, but you must leave after 2 minutes. Start reading a book, but you must close it after 2 minutes. Start your YouTube script, but you must stop after 2 minutes. So no longer it's a strategy for starting, it's the whole process. You see, the 2-minute rule reinforces the identity you want to build. If you show up in the gym 4 days in a row, even if just for 2 minutes, then you're casting votes for your new identity. You're no longer worried about getting in shape, but instead you're now focused on becoming the type of person who doesn't miss workouts. In other words, you're taking the smallest action that confirms the type of person you want to be. And we rarely think about change this way because everyone is consumed by the end goal. But 1 push-up is better than not exercising. 1 minute of work is better than none at all. 1 minute of reading is better than never picking up a book. So, in summary, it's far better to do less than you hope for than to do nothing at all. And that's the secret of the 2-minute rule. Now, I made a video about atomic habits, so you might want to click this one. Thank you guys for watching.